guys, and welcome to this Sunday's video. It's not a vlog style, don't worry. I'm making lock myself in Nutella hot chocolate. This is my third time filming it. First time I lost all the footage and that was a really good one. Like, I put it on my head and all gone. Second one, my mum was here and she was constantly talking to me, so I like had to turn the sound off. But then I couldn't be bothered to do the voiceover, so I'm just doing it again now that I'm home alone. But there's no milk, so I have been sent to the shop. I like the light out here to get milk. I can't lock the door. No. I'm gonna lock this now. Look at my finger. I'm just gonna enter. I just want to say the door is locked, so don't like try to come and burgle my house if you were planning on doing that. Let's cross this road. Dude. Oh, there's a tractor coming. I'm gonna end this and cross the road. And see you when I'm actually gonna make the video. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. I've filmed 3 times now. What was the video? Just been to the shop and very soon. Got some milk and more Cadbury chocolate. And now we've nearly run out of marshmallows. So I'll just have to work. And my toast could pop up any minute now. It might run. So I'll just turn it down a bit. There we go. And all you're going to be making Nutella hot chocolate. And all you're going to need is milk. Nutella, obviously, Cadbury's drinking chocolate or any drinking chocolate, squirty cream, marshmallows, which is hardly any of, and this is optional, but I've just used a chocolate topping which my mum puts on cappuccinos, a teaspoon, and there's my toast, and also just like a spoon for mixing, so that's all you need. So yeah, I also forgot to mention, you may get the oven, yeah, there's been enough milk. I have my toast. And you'll also need a mug. And all you have to do first is get the milk, open it. I love doing this. Wait. Put it back all the way back. It used to work. Here we go. Come on, go. Seems we've got the cracked milk as well. Because like this cracks on it. I'm just gonna pour it like 3/4 of the way up. And now it just looks like this. And now I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And wait for that to do. So yeah, now that it's ready, take your hot milk out. The microwave is hot. Can you see that steam? Can you see it? Can you? No? Yes? Let's put it back on the sweet corn. Now your milk is hot. You're just going to get the Cadbury's or whatever hot chocolate you have and try opening it. I'm just going to take the amount. This is 3 teaspoons. I'm only going to put 2 in for now. 2 quite large ones because, like, I'll also be adding the powder. And I'm just going to mix them in with the mixing spoon, which is the biggest spoon. But they can be the same size. It's completely up to you. This is what it looks like now. Now that I've mixed it, use a Nutella. We only want 1 spoonful of the Nutella. And just let it like melt in first, because trust me, it'll fall off your spoon so many times if you don't let it, and it will take forever to mix the Nutella in, there will still be a tiny bit left on the spoon. We'll just eat it. Now it's time for the squirty cream. Woo-woo. I'm just going to put my squirty cream on. Looking good. And the chocolate topping. You don't have to put this on. You don't really have to put any of the toppings on it. And now the marshmallows. Looking good. I'll show you. So this is what it looks like. Looks so good. And I'm just going to try it now. Try it. Beautiful chocolate. That always tastes the same. It always tastes really good. Let's try some. It's really nice. I would do like more wow. It's just I've tried it like so many times now just to get this video. And it's just really good. You should definitely just like make it now. I'm just gonna let you make it now, so give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, anything. See you guys next week with another video. Bye!